That really stung, that.
I could see you burning your bloody finger, my baby finger.
Oh, really stung, that. You know what the feeling was?
Make her stand over and then lie down. Straddle it and then... That's what I did, there's no one over. From the step.
Get your bum in the middle, lie forward and put your legs up together.
This is classic footage, this. Who are you?
Go in. Go in. Go in. Gone.
He's got...
Where's the camera?
What?
Cam. Yes, cam.
I don't know. See, that's how you do it. Kind of.
What?
That's a lot more than you before. That's got the new one. That's which one this is like.
Don't give up.
In there.
Has he fell off again?
No, she went through the middle. She went, yeah, no.
Like a bloody grounded crab.
Why can he get on it, not me?
More practice.
Remember when you get those little black cards you actually scratch out and you get 3 things inside Cheetos?
I missed that.
Yeah, so I taped it.
I get her a new free bag of Cheetos or...
Just slipped again.
What, babe?
I used to get like a new bag of Cheetos or a couple of quid or something else. I hope it was for me. But yeah, Denny's inside. He's not even changed yet.
No.
Give it up, Dawn. You'll never do it.
No, I'm not going up there again.
Go on.
I can't put my knee sheet in the steps. Or you like the other way? Mum.
Sleeping over there. Come on. Well, there's no cooler over here.
Bail time. What's she doing now?
Trying again.
She's gonna go again. She's gonna go again. You ready?
Sit on it.
You're supposed to lie on it. That's it. Now get your legs up.
Lie on it. It's too
That was close.
I missed that. Can you do it again?
Actually, you get caught for sitting on it for a long time.
Right, go on, Dawn. Almost.
I won't let me on it. You want me to play?
Make a sentence out of useless. You are fucking. She's not with us, is she? Take 24. Right, she's got the first part sorted.
Show her how it's done, Cheese.
See, look, that's an expert for you. Your best bet, actually, a pair of us, is to hold Dawn, just drop her onto it.
No, it's not from watching her do it. Let's Don't you agree?
What?
Much more fun watching her do this way.
It's not exactly rocket science. Right, hang on. So you straddle it, and get your bum onto it so it goes like a bendy part. Lie forward, and then slide off. I'm sure that's how you do it.
Your Lilo does not like me.
No, but you're right, they can hear you in Manchester. That's a fair stuff, isn't it? Chasey gets the nice new one and Dawn gets the crappy old one.
I still can't do that one.
Dawn, come and sit down, love. You're embarrassing us. She's not going to give up so she can because it is she.
What? I was on it.
I was on it.
My